Ryan here with Adventures Every Day. Loading up the Excursion. I'm gonna put the trailer on. We're gonna actually take the Razor out. Got the new radius rods on. Me and Ro are gonna go camp at Lake Pleasant today and tomorrow for 2 days, and I'm gonna teach her how to fish. She got a fishing rod, so she's very excited. We're gonna go do a little bit of hiking, do a little bit of riding, hang out, have some good daughter and daddy time. Looking very forward to it. Come along with us. All right, guys, we're headed out. Got the Excursion packed. Got the Razor in the back. Ready to hit Lake Pleasant. Stay tuned. See you guys shortly. Well, we finally made it to Lake Pleasant. Not putting the Excursion right there just yet. I'm gonna move it over. Got the lake right over there. Pretty good view. Got Rowan playing on the trailer. Got the Razor unloaded. Very excited, right, Ro?
Yeah!
All right, Rowan, you ready?
Yeah!
Got camp set up. Got the Razor, camp stove.
We got our camping.
Got the Excursion all leveled. Go ahead, Ro. What are you gonna say?
We are going to throw these rocks in the lake.
Yes, we are.
All these rocks. Well, you don't need to. Let's go.
All right.
Also, this is my first time.
First time for what?
To go down in the lake.
Yeah, we just got here.
Yeah.
And if I haven't said it earlier, guys, we are at Lake Pleasant. We are in a campground. It's called Tortoise Campground.
Woo! That was great. I'm going to throw rocks in.
You gonna throw the rocks at you?
Huh?
You gonna throw the rocks at you?
No, at the water.
All right, let's go over on that side. So, Ro, is this your first time camping? Yeah? You excited?
Do you want to see?
Hold on. So watch. You're gonna go like this. You're gonna bend down a little bit. And you're going to take it, and you want to throw it like that. See? Oh, you threw it up too hard. You got to skip it. So not too far. No. Like this. This is not a good rock, but like this. Take it. No, like this, honey. Watch. You got to take it like this. You're going to throw it like this. Oh, that didn't work.
That went like right there. I don't know what the flat one is.
Flat as possible. No, go like this. This way. Turn your body. Turn your body. No. Come here. Put your hand like this. Like that. Yeah. Bend down. Alright. Lean forward. Alright, now throw it. Oh, you threw it up. You gotta throw it straight.
Okay.
Don't throw it up. Throw it straight. Alright. Take it, throw it straight. Hey, Rowan, what are we starting?
A fire!
Yeah. First fire, me and my daughter.
No.
Guys, we're having a pretty good time.
On
day one.
Fire. We have been on fire because we have a fire pit at home, and we hope this would help.
Yeah. Made our first dinner. Had hot dogs and Cheetos. Rowan had those. She loved them.
Well, I did eat those Cheetos.
You didn't? Careful, don't fall in the fire pit.
No.
day 2. We slept in the back of the Excursion. Rowan's back there.
So we're going to what is it called again? Fishing. We're going fishing and to the lake. And I will see you there.
What did we drive the Razor out for?
Because we're going fishing.
Is this your first time fishing?
Yeah.
Why are you so excited to go fishing?
Because it's my first time.
Oh, what are you expecting?
I'm expecting I'll get fish.
All right. Me and Rowan here. Gonna teach her how to cast a line and bait a hook and start learning teaching her how to fish. Hopefully she enjoys it. So you see how it's hanging a little bit?
Yeah.
So what you're gonna do is see this button?
Yeah.
When you're ready to cast it, you're gonna push it in like that. Back. Like
and
that.
Then throw.
Yeah, watch. You're gonna do this. Watch over here. Over here. Watch. Watch me. See, watch. See?
Yeah.
And then you usually wait for a fish, or you can bring it right back in.
And then you don't have a fish though.
No.
You're just teaching me.
Yeah. All right. So let me watch you one more time. So what button do I push?
This one.
Okay, I push this one, and then what do I do?
Throw.
Do I throw the whole fishing pole?
No.
All right, here we go.
Throw.
See, like that.
And then roll it.
Yeah, and then you can roll it into practice, okay?
I did it. Wait, that wasn't it.
You've been doing pretty good, and the time I video you don't do so good. Let's try it again. There you go. Good one. So we came back from riding the Razor after Rowan was fishing. Our neighbor comes over and goes, you know, we were a little intrigued because we saw squirrels jumping up and down underneath your truck. And she came over here to take a look at what was going on. They got into my bag of Cheetos that I left out by accident. Pretty funny. So at least they didn't take all the Cheetos, but thank gosh for a good neighbor. I really appreciated that neighbor. Now Rowan is on squirrel patrol. Hey Ro, you know, one thing I love is that you help me with the dishes here at camp. Thank you, I appreciate that.
Well, I always like doing dishes.
Hey Ro, guess what we're gonna do? Can't get you. We're having a fire and making s'mores. S'mores.
No, it's
Marshmallows. We got our fire going, right? It's our last night here. It was a little chilly last night in the Excursion, but not too bad. I can't say I like this view though.
Dad, can you put the marshmallows on? Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't want to catch on fire.
Go stand on the other side then.
Crap. It's our first try. Let's go.
Chocolate's a little too hard again.
Uh.
It's alright. Good s'mores.